point A with coordinates 2, 3 and B with coordinates 7, 1 lie on the Cartesian plane. That means they lie on the xy axes. Find the distance AB. So first of all, using the distance formula, this is equal to, going to have x2 minus x1, so 7 minus 2 squared, plus y2 minus y1 squared. Substituting all that in and putting it into our calculator or just working this out, we get the square root of 29 as the distance AB. For the midpoint of the line segment, m is equal to the average of the x values, which is 2 plus 7 divided by 2, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and the average of the y values, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, which gives us an answer of 9 over 2 and 4 over 2, or 2, for the midpoint. The gradient of the line segment AB. So let's remind ourselves, just because they've gone off the top here, A is equal to the point 2, 3, and B is equal to the point 7, 1. So the gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is minus 2 over 5, or minus 2/5. And finally, for D, the equation of the perpendicular bisector in this particular form. So first of all, we need to know the gradient of the perpendicular. The perpendicular gradient is going to be the negative reciprocal of this, which is 5 over 2, which means our equation is going to have the form y equals 5 over 2x plus c. And because this is the bisector, we know it goes through the midpoint, so we're going to substitute the coordinates of the midpoint in. So y was equal to 2, and x was equal to 9 over 2, which means we get 2 is equal to 45 over 4 plus c, which gives us a value of c of minus 37 over 4. So that means that we have the equation y equals 5 over 2x minus 37 over 4. But we need to give it in this particular form, so let's multiply through by 4. 4y equals 10x minus 37. And then pulling this all together, in either going to get 10x minus 4y equals 37, or alternatively you might have got minus 10x plus 4y equals negative 37. Either of those would be correct for the final answer here. So this required prior knowledge is just getting us to make sure that we know how to use the formulae for two coordinates, x and y, to find the distance, the gradient, the midpoint, and then the equation of the perpendicular bisector from that. Because in this skill, we're going to look at what happens when we take this from 2 dimensions into 3 dimensions.